What do a 100-year-old person and a top athlete have in common? A diet fitting their needs. Food is the first way you can live longer and in a good shape, prior medication. However, our way of life leads us to eat faster and unhealthier. In the US, the average meal only lasts 11 minutes. Out-of-home catering is a growing market and fast food represents 60% of the meals taken away from home. Even though eating right is more and more of a concern, existing out-of-home catering offers are either unhealthy or still one-size-fits-all, assuming we all have the same needs. The future of food is personalization. We are Meals, a team of 2 food experts working with a nutritionist. Meals is a health caterer. It provides fresh food and recipes based on your personal needs, goals, and tastes. We set up your nutritional assessment from an online questionnaire. Based on your profile, we recommend your personalized food. You'll be able to order either one meal, ingredients to assemble, or a food program. Ingredients are automatically assembled by a robot to provide affordable meals as cheap as a fast food menu. Get delivered at home or at work, or take your meal away from one of our corners. We want to improve your quality of life through a healthy, affordable, and personalized food. Food is the new healthcare. Taste the benefits of our meals.